Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how we can start development with Golang. So before that, first I need to download Golang and install in our system. So I will go here in Google and I will type here download Golang, and it will show me that Golang, go.dev website, and from there I will download it from there. And I have Mac operating system here, so I will choose Mac. By default it is selected Mac, but if you are using Windows or Linux, then you have to choose your operating system and then go ahead and download. So I will click on this download button here, and once I have I will click, it will take me to this website here, and from there I'm having here multiple option to download. So I will download for Apple Mac OS ARM64, and now you can see it's downloaded, and I will click on it, the downloaded item, and it has opened the installation window, and I will click continue and go. And from here I will install, put my password here, and I will click on install software, and then it has started installing the Golang here in my machine, and it will take a few second or a minute at least in installation. Just be patience here. So now I will click on move to bin, and here it's done. And if you are looking for another version, then you can see here all the stable version here in the list, and you can download those as well. Okay, it actually depends according to the requirement. So if you require any older version, then you can also download it from there. So yeah, the installation is done now. So now I will go and I will see how we can start the development. So I have clicked here on learn, and here you can see the documentation tour, and it will also show some example. Okay, it is also some guided learning journey. It is also having the quick labs. So here I will click on documentation, and yeah, here in documentation, in the getting started, the installing Go is already done. Now I will go to tutorial to get started with the Go. So the installation process is done. Now I will start from here, write some code. Okay, so to write some code, I will first create a directory for the project. So I have opened here a terminal in my Mac OS, and here I will type ls first. So by default it is here, so I will move to the desktop folder by using cd command. Now I am inside the desktop, and here I will create a folder by using mkdir command, make directory command, and here I have created make directory go. And inside this I want to create hello. Okay, but I think yeah, let me do it here, cd go. So I am inside the goal. So let me create one again here hello, because earlier I could not create it inside go. So now it's inside go, and here I am inside the hello folder now by using cd hello command. And now I will execute this command, go mode init example hello. So basically this command will create the default mode file, okay, for this, for a project, or we can say a simple code. Okay, so I will copy this command here, okay, in the terminal. So let me just type it instead of copying. Okay, yeah, init example now hello. So once I hit the enter, then you can see it has returned the return message here, go creating new go.mod module example hello. Okay, so now it has created uh, this file, basically go.mod. Okay, and so now we can start writing. So as in next step, I need to write this code in the Golang file. So now I will just open an IDE here. So the preferred IDE will be Visual Studio Code, which is the best for writing the Golang code. So here I have typed here code dot space dot. So it will open the Visual Studio code editor, or we can see it IDE. So here you can see it has opened that folder inside Visual Studio Code, and I can see here this file go.mod. Okay, so I will create another file here for Golang. So I will name it as hello.go, and inside this I will paste that command, the code what I copied from there, and I will save it. And now I will again go to terminal here, and now I will run this by using this command go run space dot. So you can see it has now printed hello world. So it's coming from the written code code written in hello.go file. So this is what you have to do to start with uh, like Golang. So I hope you like this tutorial. So it is just introduction. I will create more video on this Go language. So that is all in this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.